Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we're going to show you the easiest DIY there possibly is on your rainwater drainage system, and that is to maintenance and clean your gutters. There's a lot of overflowing gutters out there when it rains, and the problem is the gutters are full of debris. There's a lot of things that you could do. You could add a gutter helmet, you could add a screen, but the best way to take care of that problem is to clean the gutters. Take a look.
Good morning, Chuck here with Apple Drains in Charlotte, North Carolina. It's time to clean those gutters again. Hey, we offer a maintenance program for all our clients here in Charlotte. Here we have Chris up on a commercial building. He's already cleaned that entire roof, and now he's cleaning out the gutters. Next, he'll come down and clean up the debris that fell onto the ground. Gutters are an important part of your rainwater drainage system. They collect all the water from the roof and divert it down through the downspouts.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.